let me talk to you, okay? So on Science Wednesday, yeah, Huricanne Milton was here, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday passed. No electricity, no power, no hot water. Yeah, and in Florida, you know, it's really hot. So in this video, I will show you how we survive, you know. Enjoy this video. Don't forget like, comment, and share with your friend. Hurricane stuff, and that's ridiculous because where I live in, it's only rent, and that's it. Nothing serious. No charge, and no power, and that's it. That's ridiculous. And then that's my first hurricane in my life. After one night without no power, no charge, I charged my phone in my car because until now we didn't have power. So it's life. Hurricane day 2. It's 4:30 a.m. and I'm on the line for Portugal at Wawa. That's ridiculous. Like, thank you, Milton. Like, why you do that? Who asked you for? Okay, you say hello. Okay, you do too much damage, but why you take electricity? Why you take gas? Like, yo, are you serious, Milton? Like, no, bro, you're not serious. So yeah, it's 4:30 and I'm at Wawa at the line for gas. Like, look at this. But anyway, today, Saturday, no electricity, no internet. So this morning, my breakfast is salad, chicken popcorn, ice cream, and tampinko juice. You know, no electricity, no internet, no water, so we do what we can. You know, I can't believe in Haiti, like, of course, no power, no internet, but life is better. Like, yo. And in Haiti, everybody know my dad, so everywhere we wanna go, everybody wanna help us, you know. And here, nobody know my dad. That's crazy. So we survive like everybody, so no choice. Anyway, I'm eating my ice cream, so bye. But anyway, now I will do my homework and my tests. I will try to share my hotspot. I hope everything will good because that's complicado. And yeah, it is what is it. After we go shower with cold water, cold water, like in Haiti, like yo. Anyway, don't talk about this. Anyway, so see you.
Just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun.
So breakfast and I charge in my car. Actually it's 9 a.m. I'm already bored for this day. Like, that's crazy.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah.
This is my third outfit for today because it's really hot. So I will pick up my friend and we will enjoy and we will buy food and when I was at the interview, I didn't talk. I didn't talk. She just asked me for my personal information and my SSN, and that's it, just for confirm. And I say yeah for everything. That's it. And I say yeah, you're great. I say okay, thank you. And it is what is it. And today is a great day. I'm so happy. So anyway, trust on yourself. Okay, trust on yourself. Nothing is impossible. Okay, when you do something, trust on yourself. Thinking about a positivity thing you can have in this stuff, and yeah, of course, in everything you will do, you will have a negative point, but you have a positivity stuff too. So show only a positivity stuff and keep going. If you don't do it, nobody will do for you. You understand? So yeah, we are Monday times Thursday. We don't have power, no AC, no everything. Like I'm tired to this. Of course, that's one experience, but that's too much. Like, yo. Finally, after 6 days, 5 nights, we survive. So we clean. Time to eat. Alcohol, juice.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna